29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still.
Hey guys, so I'm back with another cleaning video, and like I was telling you on my previous vlogs, I am trying to be a lot more consistent with making these because cleaning videos are my most requested video. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just doing the dishes, and dishes are one of those things that are like never ending. So I'm probably gonna do the dishes on every single cleaning video just because that's something that I always have from day to day. So yeah, I'm like controlling my little Google display with my elbow while I'm doing the dishes so that I can watch YouTube simultaneously. So this video is going to be a little random. I'm honestly just bored on the weekend and just, in my house cleaning things. So basically I'm just jumping from one thing to the next and then like going back. So it's really not any rhyme or reason to this video. It's just pretty random. But I mean, it is cleaning, so that's all that matters. So here I'm just obviously cleaning my microwave. This microwave is very small because I used to have one that was huge, and when I tell you guys, I got so tired of like having no counter space because I had this gigantic microwave up there. I was like, I'm never like buying a really big microwave anymore. So this one was like 40 something dollars and it works pretty good. The only issue is that sometimes it can't fit like the larger plates inside of it, but other than that it's great. So yeah, this is the top of the microwave that I'm trying to show you guys, and I don't really like to get my sponge really sudsy or soapy when I'm cleaning the microwave because that just adds more headache than anything. So I'm just using just a normal all-purpose spray to clean the microwave, and then once I'm done with that, I just wipe it out with a damp paper towel. So now I'm just washing this large platter. I believe I purchased this at TJ Maxx, if I'm not mistaken. I've had this for about 2 years now. And what I like to do with this is just move it around the kitchen, but mostly I like keeping it on this kitchen island in the middle of the kitchen because I do cook pretty often and I'm always like rinsing my hands, and I get a lot of stuff wet, and I don't like to get this island wet because I mean, let's just be honest, the wood nowadays or the materials that they use aren't really as durable. And so when you get this wet, it can like warp the little surface of it. So I don't want that to happen. So I try to keep platters and like large dishes on the top so that I can sit wet things on that instead of sitting it directly on the table. Speaking of the island, when I opened the drawer to it, I realized that a few of my spice containers were like pretty low. So I decided to go ahead and refill those. Now, I didn't have black pepper, so I really couldn't do that one, but the other ones I was able to refill. So these are my spare containers that I keep in my kitchen because as I've like gotten older, I've really gotten way more into spices. So I have so many spices right now that it's kind of crazy because I really used to just use like salt and pepper when I was initially learning how to cook, but now I have like almost every spice, I feel like. So yeah, I'm just refilling these jars so that when I'm cooking, I can continue just, having that ease of access to the spices. I also ran out of garlic salt. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this garlic pepper into that container. You can pick up a lot more dirt like this. So you can see the excess dirt that was like left over from Swiffering. So yeah. Do y'all see my little apron? It's like the gray and black thing that's hanging on the side of the island. I really love it. It looks like it's Ralph Lauren from this angle, but it's not. It's actually little mini cows on it. But it looks like a polo logo is on it or something. But anyway, I'm just going to get a new sponge to put on the sink because I try to do this like every time I start cleaning other stuff besides dishes, like the sink or the microwave or other stuff. I just try to go ahead and get rid of the sponge after that. So now I'm just taking out the garbage and I'm going to be replacing that bag. So I'm just realizing that I needed more garbage bags because I only had about 3 or 4 left in the box. So I definitely had to like run and put that on my grocery list so that I won't forget them. because that's such a bad feeling. It's almost as bad as when you run out of water. Um, so yeah, now I'm just gonna be wiping down my trash can. And honestly, just keeping it 100 with you guys, I probably haven't done this like in an entire year. But nobody touches this trash can. Like, you just, step on the little pedal to open it. So that makes me feel a little bit better, like knowing that we don't really have contact with this thing. But yeah, it was like really dirty. It wasn't the worst, I'm sure, but it was, kind of dirty. So now I'm just doing a light wipe down of my stove. I'm not even using like a sponge or a rag. I'm just wiping it with a few paper towels and some Clorox spray. And I'm just basically trying to pick up the little crumbs from cooking and splatters and stuff like that, but the stove isn't terrible. So guys, I don't know how this cucumber like liquefied in my fridge. I've only had it for about 3 weeks. Maybe that's a long time, I'm not sure, but yeah, like I've literally only had it 3 weeks, so I've never seen a cucumber do all that in the fridge. But anyway, yeah, I had to throw that out ASAP. And what I'm cleaning is this little piece under the glass because I had some chili in my fridge and it like overflowed out of the bowl and it seeped down into that little piece. So yeah, I'm so glad that I'm finally getting around to cleaning this thing because I've just been like being lazy and not wanting to clean it, but this was the perfect thing to like do on this video. You guys may be wondering why I'm putting empty bowls in the refrigerator, but I just do this after I clean the bowls because this is where I put my leftovers. So like they're clean. I just basically grab them out once I'm done cooking and like rinse them out one more time and then like put the food inside of them. So yeah, it may look a little weird, but it's working and it's, really helpful to just have everything right there instead of like having to hunt for a lid and hunt for the bowl. So yeah, you guys should try it if you haven't. All right, so now I'm done with the fridge and I'm just moving on to do some laundry. So as you guys can see, I only have a small laundry closet and not like an entire laundry room. So I don't have a dryer. So what I do is just basically air dry my clothes, which is probably a good thing because I know that that preserves the life of your clothing. It is a little annoying sometimes, but I've really gotten used to it, and this system really works. And I have like so many clothes that it's like I never really need the stuff in a fast time frame, so it's like it's fine because I can always just put on, you know, something else while the stuff is drying. So here I'm just swapping out a few items on my bed. I'm not really trying to make the bed look aesthetically pleasing today. It honestly looks a little crazy to me, but it's fine. I just wanted to put some cooler stuff on the bed. So I took the black fleece blanket off and put on this gray quilt because it just seems a little cooler to me. Guys, I am like obsessed with satin pillowcases now, so I don't think I'm ever gonna just sleep on normal pillowcases again. I have like 2 normal pillowcases, but I don't sleep on them. I just like take them off before I go to bed. So here you just see me spraying a little bit of this white t-shirt by Bath and Body Works, and I literally only have to spray this like one time and it fills up the entire room. Now I'm just playing around with the configuration of my vanity because I'm such a freaking stickler for things being like symmetrical. So it kind of bothers me that nothing on the vanity is the same because I can't like make it symmetrical. So yeah, that's why I'm like just sitting here kind of freaking out about how the vanity is set up. If you guys don't know, I'm a Virgo, so that should be pretty self-explanatory about why I'm like this. But yeah, I'm definitely a neat freak, and yeah. So we're reaching the end of my video. If you guys made it this far, leave me your favorite emoji in the comments. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next vlog. And thank you for watching. And also, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do that. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.